Here is how I sew up a hole neatly and beautifully with hidden stitch. Straighten the fabric as much as you can to have the raw edges of the hole aligned nicely. And next, take a small piece of tape and stick to it on the wrong side of the fabric. It's okay to readjust the raw edges after you put the tape on. That's alright, you can still do that. Keep in mind, I am using a contrast color thread, therefore when one uses matching color thread, the stitch becomes almost invisible. Thread the sewing needle with the matching color thread, then tie a sewing knot at the end of one string. Start sewing from the wrong side of the fabric to the right side of the fabric. So I'm inserting the needle through the hole, so from the wrong side, poking it out to the right side of the fabric. Now I'm going to continue with the whip stitch, grabbing a little bit of the fabric from one side of the hole to the other, like across the other side of the hole. So a few fibers on each side. Gently pull the needle up and repeat this process. For some of you, it might be easier to poke only one fiber at a time on each side of the hole. If that works best for you, do that. It becomes easy to sew annoying holes in clothes when you know the proper sewing technique. As you can see, I am stitching on the right side of the fabric. I will continue the stitches a little bit like below the hole, so the hole is completely sewn over now, but I'm gonna continue a few more stitches that I'm going to reinforce this hole so it will not open later on. So yeah, that looks good. And now gently pull onto the thread to shut the hole closed. So I'm gonna just pull onto it just to make sure the hole will beautifully close and it will not show. Keep in mind, I am stitching with a red color thread on a yellow t-shirt, so for sure it will be visible once I'm done, but when you match the color, that hole should be almost invisible. So now I poke the needle to the wrong side of the fabric to tie a finishing knot. So that knot is important. You want to do it well, because otherwise that stitch will undo itself and then you will have a hole again. So tie a knot, tie 2 knots if you have to. Trim the thread, press it down with the iron and see how it looks, how you like it. I hope you did a great job. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you next time. Bye now!